This is a killing challenge for black. So once again, very difficult problem. Make sure you spend some time calculating some of the variations here. The corner is really big, so black has many options. So I'll show you most the correct variations. So the key move is right here, right? So white can't allow black to connect back this way. This way, white's eye space is completely destroyed. If white tries to play something like this, then we're back to a very classic shape where black bends here at number 9 and plays at the 2-1 point at number 11, and white will be dead. After number 1, white must connect here. Now what does black do? Black should play this attachment underneath. It's a really sharp move. White has two choices, bend here or bend here. If white bends here, black can just pull back. Now actually there's no way for white to live. If white plays something like this, then black can connect back, number 1, with number 7. If white plays here, then black needs to be careful. If black plays this, then white will be able to live this way. If black plays here, then white will live this way. But black can play this move, threatening to connect back, number 1. So white must play here or here. And now black can play this, and white will be dead this way. So number 7 is a key move after number 6. And of course, if white plays something like this, black can just cut here, black can cut here, white must stand down this way, and black can just play something like this, I think, and force white to capture these stones. Black will succeed after number 13. So that's why bending here, number 4, will not work for white. What about here? Now black must come in this way, white must connect here, right? Connecting this will not work. Black will win this race to capture, 4 liberties to 3. And now black should play this move, right? You shouldn't allow white to connect with this stone, otherwise that's extra eye space. So white can either play this or this, but it doesn't really matter. Black can play right here at number 9. When white pushes here, a very good move for black to play is right here, right? Don't try to connect. This way, there will be a ko. When white plays something like this, there will be a ko for white to capture. But if 11 is here, then there's no ko. White cannot capture 1, 9, and 11. And there's no way white can make a living shape on the corner. Same when number 8 is at A16. So this will be the same. This will not be a set key move because there's only one mutual liberty at A17. So this is a dead shape for white. Another potential correct variation is this diagonal move. White will almost certainly have to block, and black can play this move. Again, really neat move. White cannot afford to allow black to come into the eye space this way. Now it's too small. So white must block, kind of swallowing number 3. And now black can play something like this and pull back number 7. And this is not enough eye space for white. But of course, number 6 can be here, right? It's a sharper move aiming to kill number 1 to make an extra eye. But black can still pull back at number 7. And if white makes an eye here with number 1, black can play here. And actually, white will not be able to make a real eye out of number 3. This will be a fake eye. And there's actually no way for white to cut off this black group. So black will be very securely connected, like this. So 1, 3, and 5 is another potential correct sequence. There are many variations stemming from the first 5 moves here, and you can try some of the other variations on your own. So overall, 2 correct variations, the one we just saw, and the first one I showed you is right here, number 1 and number 3. Make sure you understand all the variations I showed you, and make sure you spend some more time working out some of the other variations stemming from this pattern. Overall, should be a fun challenge. The more time you spend on these problems, the better you learn. So I hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.